Okay, today we're going to review an Excursion natural finish grand. Now this is a perfect guitar for a younger player and also a travel guitar. So let's see what we have here. Pretty good there. Let's try a capo up, see how it sounds. Sounding pretty good there. Let's try second fret capo. Now a lot of people play grands or smaller guitars for fingerstyle. Let's see if it works. Let me try that again. I see. Alright, there you have it. A grand Excursion all natural finish from Seagull. The guys when you want to have a smaller guitar or for a younger player. Perfect.